What's your name there? Yeah, that's I know.
So we gonna do like
What up?
Instagram vegan food.
I did have your food, bro.
What's going on here, Burpee? What's going on here?
We got the vegan soul food.
Vegan soul food.
Vegan soul food. It's in the building.
Yeah.
Vegan soul food. Yo, we about to check out this vegan soul food. And in the words of Jessica, ain't no meat. Ain't no meat.
I just need to understand.
Ain't no meat.
What are we doing? So here, cooking with Joya, and she bought us some delicious food that I need to understand what's going on because Shark said you got riblets. I need to understand vegan riblets.
Yes, I have, everything is 100% plant-based and vegan, so I have some vegan barbecue riblets, my mac and cheese. I win every contest that I enter with my vegan mac and cheese. It's truly, truly the bomb, whether you eat meat or not. And then I have my southern fried sweet potato souffle. And I have my black and white greens, which is cabbage and collard, so smoky maple. And I have some pinto beans and rice, and then I have a little fresh marinated kale and black eyed pea salad for you.
I'm gonna eat all of it, Chef Joya. I'm gonna eat all of it. But I do explain to me the riblets.
The riblets. Yeah, so it's made out of vital wheat gluten.
Okay.
And it has peanut butter in it and a whole bunch of other seasonings.
Peanut butter?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
It's very interesting.
I'm gonna do this.
And when you eat it, don't be scared.
I'm gonna do this.
Don't be scared.
I'm scared. I'm nervous.
But I'm gonna do it.
What makes you nervous?
Because it ain't meat.
But you think about it, do you eat meat without seasoning and sauce and things like that? Or would you just eat meat plain?
Well, you ready? Sometimes.
No,
So you gonna get some boiled chicken nuggets.
Season.
Just thinking about it, if your food is well seasoned, you're gonna eat it. It's gonna be good.
But what you chewing then if it's not meat?
peanut butter.
Man, just eat it, bro. And it got the
Peanut butter and gluten.
Listen though, she got the skull bird on it.
These things look real.
Hey,
As a matter of fact, give me. I'm gonna eat one right now. Give me a little.
Can I get a plate?
Absolutely.
Great.
There's no place for you.
You said great.
Y'all are too funny.
Gracious Master, make us sure thankful for the food.
All this plant-based food.
Nourishment of our body.
Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen. All right, I'm gonna do this right. Come on, Bird.
Well, come on, what?
Come on.
Come on.
Butter here.
I'm trying to get a little. Okay. There we go. Here you go. Come on.
Go
Hey,
ahead.
Bird.
Got room with a little char on.
Give me two.
We gonna do it all together? We gonna do it all together? Here.
Y'all want your own plates or?
Oh no, I'm gonna get a plate.
I don't need a whole plate. I'm gonna just try a little bit.
You ready?
Oh,
You ready?
Eat the whole thing? Or you
Yeah,
gonna take a
no, we're
bite?
gonna eat the whole thing,
y'all
Bird.
do
You
it
gotta get the
together,
whole.
together.
Get the whole effect.
Hold on, we gotta do it again. Hold on, butter, wait.
Never mind.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just do it. Ready? Here we
One,
go. 2, 3.
Sorry, leave you
I
out.
just want to see you
Oh,
do
you
it first.
motherfucker.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
You wanna know the difference? You wanna know the difference?
Right place like real.
That's rib right there.
You do? Can I get some mac and cheese? Let me go ahead.
That's really
Please.
You get the gloves.
That's ribbish.
Go ahead and finish out.
That's real ribbish.
I'm amazed.
Me too. Chef Joya. She done made ribs out
Now,
of gluten and peanut butter.
What I do want is some mac and cheese. And some of this
Absolutely.
cabbage and green. Yeah, make me a whole plate.
Try it. All. Y'all should try it all. Just
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try
try.
it.
You
all.
put a little bit of something in
All
there.
right. Just trying to see what this fake cheese do.
This fake
Hope it
cheese.
don't mess on my stomach.
No, it wouldn't mess up your stomach. I don't know how much you eat. I end up having a whole big plate on here. That's all on my blog, on my YouTube is Say What? It's vegan. Because I make everything look like it's just a regular little thing. It's completely vegan.
Tastes pretty
A little
good.
bit of all that.
A little bit of vegan variety.
You ever had vegan food
No
before?
pinto beans.
But you ever had vegan before?
Not this in depth. No.
Oh, okay.
Here you are.
Oh,
Just tried it before?
I get the black and pea salad.
Yeah.
Oh, where did I put that at? Need another plate?
That's good.
You ever had vegan food before with Jessica?
No, I haven't.
You haven't? This is the
I've
first
never,
time?
but I guess I sort of have had vegan
Yeah.
food because you like vegetables.
Yeah.
I like vegetables and stuff like
Yeah.
that, but I've never had like I
Yeah,
guess vegan meat.
Yeah.
I've never had that.
Have you
And
had
it's
tofu?
really good.
You had tofu before?
No,
No tofu.
never
Oh,
had
wow.
tofu.
Oh, okay.
Never had tofu.
It's like the same thing. If you just saute it right and make cook it right, then it tastes real good.
Yeah. Well, she sauteed and cooked it right.
Oh yeah. She made it real good. She made it real good.
It's all vegan.
Yeah, all vegan.
Wow,
You having an all vegan breakfast right now?
Hey y'all.
This is
Yes.
amazing.
Yes.
Vegetarian.
Well,
I've been
she's
since
been longer than me.
September. Oh, awesome. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
And
That looked like meat though. It's not.
It's not.
Now this is completely.
Yeah. All vegan. All vegan. Yeah.
you gonna eat soul food for breakfast?
All vegan soul food. Eh?
No, I'm making my plate.
There you go.
Jacinda, it's about to be 9:13. Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.
I'm in frame.
Yeah. In frame. There you go.
So,
There you go.
what's up?
Couple more, please.
Yeah.
Nice.
Vegan ribs, man.
Nice. Flat tire, have you ever had vegan food before?
Yeah. So actually,
Yeah.
I don't do any meat.
Oh, really? That's good.
Me and Jacinda were vegetarian.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, she's pescatarian.
Oh, okay.
So she does fish
Yeah.
and any seafood,
That's crazy. I didn't know that.
but I don't do any meat.
That looks good. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You can't tell by the way I look.
Sharks ain't even calling me.
I'm trying to age in reverse.
Age in reverse.
Benjamin Button.
Thank you. You are. She's popping my vegan cherry. I'm a vegan virgin, but I'm gonna try her food. And I already tried the ribs, and they are delicious. That just shocked me. So I cannot wait to try the mac and cheese, potatoes, all of it. All of it. Well, this is good.
It's good, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Better than expected?
Yes.
Larry, have you ever had vegan food before?
No, man, I don't eat this stuff.
You don't eat this stuff? You're about to
No,
try it
man.
right now. Look at this.
I'm
Look at
about
this.
to
Look at that.
try it, but I don't eat this stuff. I need meat.
Well, look at this. Look at this right here.
Joya,
Oh, yeah.
and it's amazing. Look, everything on this plate is straight vegan.
You already
No meat. How did you do vegan ribs?
Vegan ribs. So I actually just use some vital wheat gluten flour with some peanut butter, seasonings, and oils. I baked it. I seared it on the grill, and I sauced it up, and here you have it.
Wow. Look at this, and it's good. Everything is good. Look, for people who want to get away from meat, want to make better choices concerning their diet, how can they follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Cooking with Joya.
I'm cooking with Joya, baby, and it's good.
Yes.
It's real.
Great, this fire, boy. What?
Everything.
Get some of them ribs that ain't ribs, but they ribs.
It is.
Yeah. You ain't gonna know the Yo, listen, I ain't eating no vegan, but that right here, that right here, if it gonna taste like this, then I want it. I want it every day. I just can't afford her everyday price. But she wanna do something once, twice, three, something.
Cut me close.